Hey guys, Ask the Doc, episode 4. So I got a couple good questions here. The second one is a very amusing one. It's a question I haven't seen in probably 20 years. So stick around for that one. But the first question is from Kelly: is chiropractic maintenance care a lifelong suggestion? The answer comes down to what do you want? If you want to have a functioning spine, a healthy spine, a functioning nervous system because of that healthy spine, then the answer is yes. And what does maintenance look like? It's different for everybody. Most people, once or twice a month coming in, getting adjusted is a great routine to be on. Sometimes they're starting off way behind a lot of arthritis and degeneration already, so maybe once a week. I don't see that quite as often. For younger people, once every 6 to 8 weeks, as long as they're doing maintenance and not corrective. But it comes down to, again, what you want. So, I brush my teeth and floss daily, and those are kind of like the home exercises that we give you. So if you've gone through a maintenance plan, we give you home exercises. Very simple things. Take almost as long as brushing your teeth and flossing, but it makes a huge difference on keeping your spine healthy day to day. But just like with the dentist, brush your teeth and flossing, you go in from time to time for certain work and routine work. And so that's kind of like doing maintenance care on your spine. So I hope that helps. The second question is, what's the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow? Awesome question. That brought me back to many moons ago, but that's an old movie. And the answer is I can't answer that one because they didn't ask me if it was European or if it was an African swallow. So chime in if you know that movie. That's a great one. So anyway, if you have any other questions, please bring them to the office and we'll see if we can make a video on it. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.